What's up, y'all? JSB the creator. I'm back again with a new video today for y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be working on denim 6's. I've seen everyone doing these, man, from like green to like red, blue, purple, yellow, orange, all the colors. One color I haven't seen anybody dye these, pink. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dye these pink. Okay, yeah, dyeing these pink. Gonna come through the process with me. We gonna get these pink. We gonna get these dyed up. We gonna get this look of distress. Let's get into the video. Thanks for checking out today's video, y'all, on these pink denim 6's. Some of the names I've been getting is like the Majin Blues or Cherry Blossoms or whatever, but either way, they came out really nice. These are mine, by the way, so I'm gonna be rocking these a lot. I added the marble midsole to it to give it a little contrast from the, you know, the rugged look at the top, so you know at the bottom is more classy. The top is bougie, ratchet. Now, let me stop.
Why did you do that?
Yeah, other than that, if you're wondering where I got this hoodie from, my nephew friends dropped a brand called Unordinary. I'm gonna leave the link for the merch in the description below. Check it out. They got some dope stuff. Young kids hustling, you know, trying to make a grind, young entrepreneurship. Always support that. But outside of that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check me out till next time, man. Peace. I'm out of here.